I'm going to demonstrate how to change your lock's auto shutdown time. First, launch your eGeeTouch Manager app and select the lock you wish to change auto shutdown time for. Once you're on the lock access page, power on your lock by pressing the shackle firmly down for less than a second. A beep and a green sync icon will indicate that the lock has been paired. Now select the settings button at the bottom of the screen and scroll down to lock settings. Here you will see your lock's auto shutdown time and a button next to it. Toggle with this button to change your lock's auto shutdown time. You have three options: off, 1 minute and 3 minutes. If you set it to off, your lock's auto shutdown time will be disabled. If you set it to 1 minute, your lock's pairing will be disconnected after 1 minute and so on. You will also find your lock's auto shutdown time below the big red unlock icon in the lock access screen. You can toggle with this button too to disable auto shutdown or to set the time to 3 minutes.